This was the house used in The Wolf of Wall Street.
Produced by Louis Six Cat. Louis Six Cat. Louis Six Cat is a beat-making genius. Don't be shy, subscribe.
This is the house. This was the house in Wolf of Wall Street. Right there, Leonardo DiCaprio's house. How cool is that? Leonardo DiCaprio's house. Right here. This is it. Alright guys, this is the Wolf of Wall Street house. This was the house used in the Wolf of Wall Street. Guys, this is the location in Wolf of Wall Street where Leonardo DiCaprio is trying to get in the Lamborghini, and he's too messed up to drive the car, and he crawls down the steps that are right there. I'm gonna walk up and down those steps right now. Be back. That's that location. It's a pretty awesome location where they got the white Lamborghini right there, and he walks up and down those steps. He actually crawls down those steps. Sick. Wolf of Wall Street. Alright guys, I'm gonna try one more time here. Get you guys this location. It's a bit much. This is where the Lamborghini is, right here. Right here. And these are the steps that he goes down. It's a sick location. Awesome. Alright guys, I'm getting out of here. Even though I should probably ask to use their bathroom, but I kind of feel like that's not going to go well, so. But yeah, Leonardo DiCaprio, Wolf of Wall Street, right there. See. Whoa. Subscribe to me channel. Follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. Like, leave a comment. Follow me on social media. Louis 6 Cards.